Everybody's climbing, trying to get to the show. Life is money, and you're just a hoe.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Bri, back at it again with another YouTube video. If you're new here, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button and also like this video. Alright guys, today's video is actually all about how I slayed this lace front. Alright, I'm going to show you guys how I put this lace front on my head. It's going to be a tutorial on all about that. I'll leave all the information about this unit down below in the down below in the description box. Alright, so we're just going to jump right into the video.
As you guys can see, I already have my hair braided up. I'm not a professional, so of course they look janky, but as long as your hair is as flat as possible, you guys should be fine. All right, first I'm going to apply my Jamaican black castor oil all over my scalp and the ends of my braids. Black castor oil prevents hair breakage, dandruff, eczema, dry itchy scalp, and it also promotes hair growth. When I first became natural, this was definitely my go-to, plus some coconut oil, and it made my hair grow real quick. Leave a comment down below if you guys want to see a video on my natural hair journey and tips on that. Next, I'm going to throw on this good old wig cap. This wig cap is actually a darker color than what I normally get. I get like a beige color, but it worked out in the end, y'all. Just keep watching till the end and you guys will know what I'm talking about. Then I go in and I cut ear holes for both of my ears. Be very, very, very careful when you're doing this. I almost cut through my ear doing this, so just be mindful of where you're cutting, okay? Like, I legit almost cut my ear off and it was really scary because it was bleeding. That's why my head was like down. So yeah, just be careful. Next, I go ahead and spray the Got To Be Glued Blasting Freeze Spray up and down my hairline. Then I take a rat tail comb and a blow dryer and press the rat tail comb down onto the wig cap to basically melt the wig cap down. After making sure the wig cap is glued down, I go ahead and start cutting the wig cap as close to my hairline as possible. Please be careful and try not to cut your face off. I definitely almost did that again. So just take your time when you're trying to cut that wig cap off. Next, I take one of my fluffy brushes and apply the L'Oreal Infallible Finishing Powder in the color Natural Beige all around the front of my wig cap and near like the sides where my ears are. After I'm done applying that, I take my witch hazel wipes and wipe all that extra product and glue off of my forehead. And now it's time to finally put that wig on. Usually I would cut the lace and melt it off that way. I said melt it off, melt it on that way. But I've worn this wig before, so all I had to do was just put the wig on and make sure I like how it was laying. This synthetic wig is actually from Amazon, y'all, by a company called Missy Van. It was under $40 and I still haven't put heat on this wig yet. Now that the hair from my wig is pulled out of my face, I'm going to apply the Ghost Bond glue to where my wig cap and my forehead meet and put the wig on. Don't forget to make sure that the glue is tacky, so it's okay to use a blow dryer. to make the process go back faster. Okay, I'm going to just stop talking and let y'all watch because I legit just winged it after my rat tail comb just broke. So yeah. After I finally got my wig to lay how I wanted it, I wrapped my edges with a parchment paper and let that dry. I don't know the actual name of it off the top of my head, but I'll definitely leave the all the products that I use in the description box like how I usually do. After about 10 minutes, I went ahead and took the parchment paper off my edges, and then I went in with my tweezers and plucked my hairline. I noticed that my edges were a little bit long, so I went ahead and cut those a little bit too. This is a synthetic wig, so I definitely did not want to over pluck this and make it seem unnatural. So I just did the best that I could. Then I apply my Cream of Nature Argan Oil Maximum Hold Styling Snot to my edges in style as usual. I really want to try using mousse to style my edges because I feel like shaping them will be so much easier. But I didn't have that, so I just made it do what it do, whatever. Dang, I can't talk. With whatever I had. I put that parchment paper back on my edges just so they can dry. You can also use a blow dryer to make the process of drying your edges and making sure that they are laid go by faster. Then I went ahead and took the end of a comb and redefined my part. And then I went in with my tweezers and went ahead and plucked my part just so I could have more of a natural look. Then I take a small flat brush and apply some of the L'Oreal finishing powder to my part and to my hairline. Alrighty guys, that is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of you. If you like this channel, go ahead and subscribe and like and comment my videos. Thanks. Peace.